Introducing goDream Agriculture by Tafaria Castle and Center for the Arts. goDream Agriculture equips students with modern, practical farming skills at the Tafaria Nano Farm. The journey begins by showing students how the arts, such as design and architecture, are applied to create efficient, well-organized, and beautiful farms. Students then learn essential plant care skills, including irrigation, weeding, pruning, fertilisation, soil conservation, harvesting, and processing. They go on to learn animal care, covering modern housing, feeding, cleaning, grooming, and pest control. The program also introduces general farm management, including the correct use, care, and storage of farm implements. This experiential learning is enriched through a Tafaria immersion, where students explore the Evolution Science Museum, the arts, the herbarium, and the signature Once Upon a Dream experience at Tafaria Castle. Book your school for goDream Agriculture for an unforgettable, hands-on learning for life beyond the classroom. You are invited.